Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of connecting a display cable on your HP 15BB laptop, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. Having these tools at hand will make the entire procedure smoother. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to avoid any electrical shock or damage during the process. Once you've confirmed this, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are usually about 10 screws, so keep them organized to ensure you can replace them later. After removing the screws, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Take care not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. Once the panel is off, locate the display cable connector. It's typically a thin, flat cable running from the motherboard to the display. Make sure to handle it gently as it can be fragile. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, this is a good time to clean it out. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, especially around the fan and cooling vents. Proper ventilation is key to keeping your laptop running efficiently. Now, to connect the display cable, align it carefully with the connector on the motherboard. Once aligned, press down gently until you hear a click. This sound indicates that the cable is secured in place. If you are unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making it easy for you to get professional help. After connecting the cable, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back into position, making sure all clips fit securely. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, tightening them gently but firmly. Ensure all screws are in their original positions to avoid any loose parts. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no leftover parts. Once satisfied, plug in your laptop and turn it on. If the display is functioning as expected, you've successfully connected the display cable. If you encounter any issues, like a blank screen or flickering, it may be worth considering a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying problems without any commitment to repair. Lastly, don't forget that our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of cost before proceeding. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, remember, no calls, no travel, just simple and convenient service at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.